Right now I am at my dad's house in Crystal City, Missouri. I got in pretty late last night. We didn't get home until like, I think around 2 in the morning. We went to bed around 3. He's at work right now and I am making gluten-free macaroni. But as you can see behind me, the house is a complete disaster. So I'm probably just gonna clean the house a little bit, go through the stuff that I have here while he's at work, and then probably go get groceries. And that's probably gonna be it for today. This used to be my room, actually, when I was growing up. I never really stayed here for more than like a day or two at a time, maybe like on the weekends. I was usually with my mom, but as you can see, I do still have, well, my dad still has posters up. I haven't been here, besides, I was here a year and a half ago, but besides that, I haven't been here in like 5 years. So a lot of this stuff is still just up on the walls. I'm probably going to take it down because it actually makes me more depressed than feeling like being at home. As you can see here by my wedding thank you magnet, we keep things updated. Really weird waking up and not having my cat sitting on me or laying on me. So this is about an hour and a half of cleaning. I've cleared off the table, I've done most of the dishes, and I've swept the floor. So we're getting there. finally got done going through everything that I have. It's a giant mess in here right now. I have piles of stuff I want to move to California with me, stuff that I'm trying to sell, stuff over there that I would like to keep but I can't take it with me because it's too heavy, Christmas decorations that are getting ready to go up here, picture frames, just a whole bunch of stuff. So I'm making progress, but I still have a lot of organizing to do. I've been working on going through my stuff for like the past 2 days, so now I'm going to take a break. I'm going to do more stuff that I need to do just to get myself more organized, like go through my emails. I have a lot of emails that I need to unsubscribe to and delete. And then go through the pictures and like the storage on my computers, transfer pictures around if I need to, work more on YouTube, and pretty much just get everything ready for the move in a couple weeks, and then starting my next school semester. Gosh, my hair is not even brushed today.